Here's how to factory reset your Samsung phone. Now let's first just swipe up and head into the settings. I'll show you an option to factory reset it if you've unlocked that Samsung phone. And then I'll show you another option is if you don't know the passcode and you can't get into the phone just by using the buttons. Now from here, all we need to do is scroll to the bottom until you get to General Management and at the very bottom, Reset. You'll be able to see on here various options to reset the settings, reset the network diagnostics, or anything like that. However, you can scroll down to the bottom and choose to Factory Data Reset. Essentially what this does is it deletes out everything on your Android phone. It removes all your photos, your messages, all of the apps. However, keep in mind, you might want to back up everything before you do this so that you don't lose it. Now let's just scroll down to the bottom and tap on that reset button, basically to factory reset it as if you just got it from the store. However, let's say you can't unlock that phone. You do have a second option. You can just get into recovery mode to wipe the phone completely. To be able to do that, it's really simple. All you need to do is press and hold the volume down and power button until the screen goes completely black. After it does that, press the volume up and power button at the same time until you get into recovery mode. And then of course you can navigate to wiping that entire phone and bringing it just back to factory default.